Wobble, wobble, little penguin, walking on the ice so bright. Tiny footsteps, happy heartbeat, shining in the morning light. Flap your wings and say hello to the snowy world below. Smile so wide and dance around, joy and laughter all around. Hey, hey, clap with me, 1, 2, 3, so happily. Jump up high, spin around, tap your feet upon the ground. Wave your hands up to the sky, watch the fluffy clouds drift by. Sing together loud and clear, happy penguins give a cheer. Slip and slide across the snow, fast or slow, away we go. Catch a snowflake on your nose, tickle, giggle, there it goes. Round and round the snowballs roll, happy hearts and happy souls. Every friend joins in the fun, playing underneath the sun. Hey, hey, clap with me, 1, 2, 3, so happily. March along in a funny line, everything will be just fine. Flap your wings from left to right, sparkling in the snowy white. Dance together, laugh and play, smile throughout the whole bright day. Splash into the icy sea, swimming smooth and swimming free. Little fishes swim around, making funny bubbly sounds. Swish your tail and dive below, up again with quite a show. Shake the water, twirl about, that's what fun is all about. Wiggle left and wiggle right, stars begin to shine tonight. Moon says hello from above, wrapping all the world with love. Twinkle, sparkle, soft and bright, lighting up the snowy night. Every penguin sings along, nature's sweetest bedtime song. Hey, hey, clap with me, 1, 2, 3, so happily. Dance together, side by side, fill your hearts with love and pride. Laugh together every day, share a smile along the way. When this song comes to an end, remember every penguin friend. Wobble, wobble, don't be shy, wave your wings and say goodbye. We'll be back with songs to sing, fun and laughter we will bring. Clap your hands and shout hooray! See you on another day. Hey, hey, clap with me, 1, 2, 3, so happily. Jump up high, spin around, tap your feet upon the ground. Wave your hands up to the sky.